All right. So welcome everyone. Um, yeah. So tonight also I continue updating my blog. Last night we already got a new font. It's called Libre Baskerville, or maybe it's like a French name, Baskerville. No, I don't know. Anyway, yeah. And what I did is I loaded this font here. I created two classes, like the font heading and font body, and I applied the font body to the body. And this is a tailwind. This is a tailwind utility to apply a class. And I took all the headings from H1 to H6 and applied the font heading. And here, if we inspect these elements, we go to the computed and look for font. You can see it's open sans font, and the same for the new. And to see like a comparison of the old design, it was this text right here. Like I forget what's its name. All right, so I'm gonna remove this border around. I don't know. It was if it was supposed to be there. So let's see. Where's this? Yeah, it's about the focus stuff. That I can probably do it. Okay, title and font heading. So I guess if we go to the index and remove this, the size, yeah, the size will change. So maybe here we can have. Ah, yeah. Yeah, new haircut. I look different, right? So text. Let's start with 3 excellency. That's probably too much. Yeah, and let's see in a smaller screen. Do we need to? Yeah, looks. I guess looks okay. And we need some padding probably, or maybe a border also will do. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Um, where should we start? So we fixed the title. We have this post metadata right here. Let's see. What do we have? Yeah, post metadata. Okay, there's this inline block, margin top, margin bottom. So it's grayish there. So maybe here we can do, okay, text, SM, inline block, and text gray 300. Oh, maybe 600. I guess maybe 700. And we do border. Border bottom. Okay. And this whole, okay, post here. Don't even use that post. Let's do okay, margin bottom 5. Border, and then border B. Why so? Well, this looks fine. Then I guess we can do padding py 4. Give it some more space. I mean, I go to a Palestinian hairdresser. I think since I came into Berlin, so I found this good hairdresser and I kept going there. And I mean, I have a simple hair, so I don't have like, I don't need a lot of work. Okay. Do we need a little bit more spacing? Text SM 700. I'm thinking of changing maybe this. I don't know. Okay. So there. This is the summary. Oh man, I have a lot of classes that. Yeah. Where's this post summary again? Not here. Probably because I never used it. So if I just remove it, what's gonna happen? So let's have P4 here. PY4. And text, I don't know, MD, SM. Let's see, the size of it is like 16 pixels. I think that's more than okay. All right. So let's fix some more stuff, probably with a bigger screen so we can see it. The read more link. So let's also get this a little bit. Read more, read more, read more. So let's do text gray 700, text small, see how small can we go with the text. Yeah, so we can probably go a little bit smaller with extra small. Okay. And then probably align it to right. There's this nice trick that you can do margin auto and then no, not gonna work. Hover text gray 900. Yeah. Maybe we should have also a hover effect for this link, for the link here. So in here we can do class name. So let's do border transparent and then hover border B. And black, or yeah, all right, let's see. I think I did this border stuff somewhere in a different project, so let me just copy some text. Hover border. I don't know why the hover border is not working. Oh, hi, Jose. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I'm taking a break from that. I think I went maybe a little bit fast. So I'm just taking a break from that to let people catch up, and then I will get back to the work. I think we did a lot already in 10 days, and I'm supposed to build the app like in 100 days. So I'm just taking it easy. Border hover border add something. Yeah, so this is so we have maybe if we do border 0 and then border 1. No. Okay, let's copy this and then we will deal with it. We'll start from this one. Yeah, there is a Tailwind autocomplete. Yeah, I mean, since you mentioned that, where is the? Yeah, I'll probably install it at some point. It's very nice. You can. Okay. Ah, this is the. What? Why it's showing me the border on the date? It should be under for the text. Why this is weird. So the link here, I have the title and then the date in here. And this link, yeah, I mean the link is what's going on here? So this one is like, yeah, border. Why is not showing the border? Okay. This is weird. Okay, I'm gonna maybe do the color thing and then hover text blue. Let's start with 600 and then see, or maybe green 600. A little bit softer, maybe. That's too much. Blue. I'm really bad at colors because I want to match something like similar to this color. Okay, maybe let's go to the colors here and then see the palette. Okay, maybe background colors. And I'm looking for something like this one. Okay, teal 600. And text gray 900. Just slightly grayish text. Yeah. And maybe also we can move this to Probably also the text here will be gray 800, just to be slightly, yeah. Okay, so this is cool. Do we still have any classes? No. In here, this is, I think this is all good. Okay, so let me fix these few things in here. The newsletter, stay connected, give it some padding and so on. So this is, I guess, is in a different component. Oh, hi, Wael. Yeah. Okay, so this part. Oh man, I kind of went a little bit overboard with all these components right here. Okay, so this is the one. So, okay, there's this link. Maybe this one we can do. Okay, container, mx auto, and flex. Just for now to see what will happen. Oh. And so this is the connected. This is the form part. And this is the social part. What happens if we remove this? Nothing. What? All right. This is, yeah, maybe merge on top. Give it like 4. Okay, and we need to have this border. So I think it's okay. Border T border for the top border TL 600. What's going on here? Okay, so this here. Okay, this is my container. Yeah, I probably need to get the okay, border. Yeah, I had the border T here. Yeah, broader. Oh man. Okay, and then we need probably some padding on the y-axis. Let's give it 4. Cool. And since this is a flex thing, we can do a flex wrap. And in here, let's keep that class and add stuff on top of it. So we can do width 1.5, and here is width 1.5. Okay, so it's spread a little bit. And empty width full. So in here we can say and then if we make it bigger, come on. It's the reverse. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Smaller. Oh, come on. When do you? Okay, and then here this will go this way. So where's the flex? So here probably we can do also the items. Items center. So once it gets this way, it will like center the items. Okay, let's just bring it a little bit here. All right, so let's. I'm not happy with these links. I'm not happy at all with these links. So let's fix one of them and then go to the rest. Okay, so this one, then we can copy the same styles over and over again. So let's do text gray 800 and then on hover textile. Yeah, yeah. I might just align them to the right and then. So let's change the text, and in here we can do text right. They are probably too much to the right, but I'm not. Let's see. What I'm thinking now, I could probably, instead of forcing the half of the width in here, no, like Trying to think of a way how I can. And remove this one. I want to get like this justify between. And maybe remove this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I kind of went lazy when I'm building this part. Probably should think of some links, but let's just okay. Now when it traps, I guess. Nah. I'm really not happy with this about this section. So let's. Yeah, I will find a way. I'll find a way. So for borders, yeah, let's do a border dashed. So we want a border bottom, and we want a dashed one. And maybe in here we can do border teal 600. Yeah. And then maybe make it a little bit bigger. I kind of like this. I probably change also some of the links to do this. Okay. All right, so this right here, I can do maybe P5 and obviously list none. Yeah, with some padding it looks much better now. Probably I don't need the item centers because that doesn't make sense in this case, so we can have something like this. Or I can, or maybe I can divide these sections already to like 2. Yeah, I'll see later. So let's move on. Copy this stuff and LinkedIn dev profile. name, and they all have this. Still very ugly. I don't know. I'll probably get some icons and then have them displayed in a grid, or have this one in its own. For single items. Yeah, once it's, I mean, here maybe. Okay, let's extend it. You're probably right. So let's go to, where is it? Tailwind, CSS. And what should we call this class? Link? No, link, href. Okay, let's say href. Let's copy all of this and then have apply, and these are all our classes. This is not supported in CSS, so I guess you need to, I think, do this. Let's see if it complains. Yeah, it does. It does. I don't know. I think this will. No. What does it say? Cannot be used with. Ah, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now I remember. Because now you need to get this href and then add the hover. Because when you apply stuff like with this pseudo class, you can't use the colon. That's not supported in CSS. So what you can do is create the base class and then here add this one as the, of course we need the apply and a space. Yep. And we have the same effect. So now what I can do is get this and replace it with href. And we should have the same styling. Thank you, Jose. Is it Jose? Jose? I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Yeah, so this is a way how you can do, like, if you see yourself repeating a lot of classes for a lot of elements, you can like copy these classes right here and then give it a name and then use this apply. If it happens that you have like something like hover blah blah blah, you create another class with this like the same name and add the hover to it and then apply whatever you want to be applied on the I lost my word. What do you want to apply on the hover? Sorry. Okay, this one, the footer looks good. This one doesn't. So let's see. Do we have a footer somewhere? Here. Yeah, Tailwind is amazing. I can't see myself using any other CSS framework, at least for now. So this one is max width, blah blah blah. We have a space, and we have netlify, and probably there's other. Okay, this code is. So let's go to the entire footer right here. And then, okay, say, okay, it's a container, and then MX auto. Yep, it's so, okay. And we have a border T, and then border teal 600. Okay, let's add some padding, just py4. Cool. And I guess like we need to text center all the stuff in here. Images are not centered. Because probably they're not. Let's try this one. MX auto. Yeah, that's what is missing. And right here. Okay, this is very not small. I don't know who still use the strong maybe, but this one should be text small, text gray 800, and yeah, it's not small, text SM. And so probably we can apply this to the container. We don't need it here. Yeah, you have a nice footer, like even a smaller screen. Yeah, cool. Let's make this a little bit bigger and then see, like go to the header and then fix few stuff, and probably we will call it so probably inside of the layout. Metas, and probably header. Okay, so what's inside of this header? Yeah, okay, this is the CSS. Oh man. Why it doesn't open? What? Why? Header. And this goes here. Okay. So the main header, we have the padding. And all of these stuff. Background. Is it different though? Let's see, if we just remove this main header, what will happen? I guess a lot will be broken. No, not a lot. So let's do flex, justify, maybe items, center. Okay. It will be a container and then mx auto. And I guess justify between. Yep. Should I I'm thinking like this line right here, maybe I should just make it go all the way to here. Like border, then border till 600. And then I should remove this border from the nav. And then for this one, maybe we can do class name. And then do h8 width 8. Let's see how small the logo will be. No, that's too much. 12 or maybe 16. Yeah. And remove this from the nav. Main nav, ID main nav. Do we have the main nav in here? I guess. Yeah. I love this variable name. Khaled Green. It's nice. I like it. So what happens if we remove this class name? Nothing much. And now this list. But flex. Yo. And for all of these, okay. Let's remove this from here. Class name. Let's do a margin. Does this even work? No. Left 2. And then href. And text sm. Yeah, and then take this one and then copy paste it here. Here and here. Do I even need this border? I don't think so. I thought it's kind of nice at the beginning, but now it doesn't look like it. And probably will need more. This probably should be ML4. Yeah. This is nice. Yeah, this is, I like this new style kind of thing. So one thing, okay, maybe we can add some padding because this is like really hitting the page. So we can do a py, or maybe like an entire padding 4. Yeah, looks good. This part here is annoying me a little bit. I want it maybe to align like right here. So how about if we add this justify between, no, center and margin left. Yeah, margin left auto might work for this case, but still it's not aligned with this. I want it like to be Mm. Oops, new subscriber. Ah, cool. Thanks for subscribing. Or maybe like this can like come a little bit closer to. Go to next page. Yeah, so okay. How about this one here? We can do okay. Flex and then where is the justify content? Justify end. Okay. How about this is a flex and then we do justify end. It's still okay. We'll deal with that later. What? I said list none in here, not node. So no more these dots. Okay. Okay. Looks good, looks good. How about we center this whole thing? I mean, it's already probably centered. Yeah. P8. Okay, I know why then. It's the padding should be P8 right here. Okay. And index. Yeah, and I want the home page. This is my iframe. So if we change the margin left to auto, it should go a little bit here. Okay. Probably also if we apply the same thing to this block. This one, and then say margin left auto. No. MX auto. And then block. No. Okay. Why this thing changed right here? Because I'm sure I applied this heading right here. This should. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm over my. It's been an hour now or more. I think we did some nice progress. We're just taking it easy, nothing crazy. I could probably do faster and more in an hour, but yeah, I think we call it a night. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you all. Bye.